Hello guys, let's talk for loop about let's talk about for loop. With for loop, you can reproduce the values the uh, list tuple and this dictionary. Fruits igual apple, banana e cherry. It's listed reproduced by apple, banana and cherry. Uh, Loop to the letter in the word banana. For X for X in banana. Print X banana BRANA. With the break statement, we can stop the loop before it's the loop to all the items. For X in fruits, banana X print X if X equal banana break. He are stopping when X for banana. Exit the loop when X is banana, but this time the break comes before the print. For X in banana, if X equal banana break apple apple break. You can use range function to create a sequence of step for loop. Range start and step. For X in range six. Print X 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If range equal 6, loop go até 5, 7, and 6. Start 2 and 30. Starting 2 and 10. Step 2 to 20. 2 4 6. Start 3 and 30. Step 3. You can add the else for when loop ends. For x else range in 10 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 else finish